let's take a scenario that you are a person who is a fresher in digital marketing, and or if you're an experienced but you have experience in some other field, so still you will be treated as a fresher in digital marketing. And now, if you are able to work for a company as an intern for 3 to 4 months, you definitely are ahead of the curve as compared to a lot of people. Now, when you are interning, uh, something which I would definitely want to call it out is that do become an expert in a particular field and always focus on results. Focus on those points where you implemented a particular thing and that was the impact of that particular work. For example, suppose if you are working as a, social media strategist as an intern in a particular company, and you saw that in a 3 to 4 months time you designed an entire 6 month social strategy, and it went into a number of back and forths, and finally that was approved by the client. And when you started implementing that, you saw an increase in the number of followers for your Facebook page or for your Instagram profile or for your YouTube channel, or you saw an increase in the number of website visitors by 33% as compared to the previous month. So all these numbers or all these impacts, you need to keep a track of when you're interning with them. Now, why do I say this? So when you enter these details in your CV, it is extremely important that you call out the impact of the work. So for example, when you are, suppose if you have completed your 3 to 4 months internship and you are now wanting to go for a full-time job. So how do you enter these details in your CV? Let me just give you an example. So you can just mention that you are a social media strategist or a social media intern for the brand called, say, Tata Salt. Right? Tata Salt was your brand, and you were a social media intern for this particular brand. Uh, the second point which you will mention will be about the your role and the contribution that you had. So here you need to mention that design a 6 month long social media strategy on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, uh, with the objective of generating highest amount of traffic on the website. That was the work that you did. Uh, the next point will be your impact. So your role, your work, and then your impact. Impact of the work will be increase the followers by X%, increase the website traffic by Y%, and increase the inquiries for this particular brand from 3 inquiries per day to 10 inquiries per day. So all these numbers, from where do you get these numbers? Obviously, Google Analytics is one of the source where you get these numbers. Also, asking your call center team or the CRM team about the daily calls that they receive is also one of the ways of getting this information. Now, it may vary from businesses to businesses, but I'm just giving you an idea as to what all information you need to uh, uh, keep asking or keep with you so that you can put it in your CV as the impact of your work. Uh, Lastly, suppose if in your 3 or 4 month stint, if there was any award that you received as a part of the team, or say maybe a best employee of the month, or a best campaign execution, or best campaign innovation thought, or best use of mobile. So all these achievements and awards that you may have received during this particular stint, definitely mention that in your CV. Lastly, the platform and the tools that you used. Suppose if you used Google Keywords Planner to identify the set of keywords to focus on, or you used Moz SEO, or you used Uber Suggest, or you use SEO Quick. So all the particular tools and the platforms that you used in the internship, do mention that, because what will happen is uh, when the interviewer will see your CV, he will just think at the back of his mind that this person has worked for say 3 to 4 months as an intern, and the kind of work that he's mentioning is of good quality. So for him to onboard you and to train you, it will not take much time as compared to somebody who is just out from college and wanting to do a digital marketing job. right? So it's extremely critical that you mention the work, its impact, and the tools that you have worked on as an intern, and you will definitely become an ahead, say ahead as compared to your peers, because for for him to train you, it will be less effort, and you will be on board on the job, say after 1 month of joining them. And hence, for people who are freshers who don't have a full-time digital marketing experience, uh, interning and having internship experience properly detailed in their CV becomes a key.